Mopa Airport authorities, I'm making a charge that Mopa authorities are pressing the naval authorities in Goa to see that they ask for the airport separately for naval basement.
Under open sky policy, new international flights ची permission मोपा international मनोहर international airport चे दिवच्यो. Existing flight जी आसा पळय न्ही ह्यो shift करपाक permission दिवचे न्ही. दाबोलीम airport जो आसा हो आमी केन्नाच पूर्ण नेवी कडे दिवचे ना.
2023 and 1st January to 6th July. Same figures गेल ते 2022 चे and 2023 चे. जे same chartered flight 2022 334 असलेले ते 154 चेर पावला स्पीकर सर.
There is some sinister design of GMR people because it is a private entity to put pressure on civil aviation ministry and the defense and ask Navy to say you want that airport for yourself. हे जावपा जायना.
गरज पडले जाल्यार चीफ मिनिस्टर should lead all party delegation सुद्दां व्हरपाक जाय. Because this is a question of commitment given by the central government.
ते वाटेन युवा काँग्रेसीचो दाबोळे एअरपोर्टाचेर मोर्चा.
जेन्ना इंटरनॅशनल ऑपरेशन हांगच्यान हालतली तेन्ना हो एअरपोर्ट सस्टेन जावपाक डिफिकल्ट जातलो. ताजी इकॉनॉमिक वायबिलिटी पडटली.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.